Hello. I've been asked if I could do a tutorial on the song The Coast of High Barbary, which is one I uploaded a number of years ago, and I probably haven't played it since. So this may be a little bit hesitant, but I'll give it a go. In this song, a lot of the accompaniment is a very basic 1, 2, 3, 4 picking pattern, with the thumb picking either the 4th or the 5th strings, and the index finger only ever playing the 3rd string, middle finger only ever playing the 2nd string, and the ring finger only ever playing the 1st string. And the count of this 1, 2, 3, 4 is a little bit syncopated, because the first beat is actually 1.5, so it's a dotted quaver, a dotted crotchet followed by a quaver, so that's the 1, 2 and 3, so it's sort of like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's virtually the first line of the song, in fact. There was a gallant English ship a-sailing on the sea. Do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. May only be 1 or 1, 2, 3 at the end, it doesn't really matter. So whatever leads you into the next line, which starts off the same. No, it doesn't. I told you it'd be hesitant. Let's see how it does start. Was a gallant English ship a-sailing on the sea, go high. Right, so that's one beat on the index finger at the end of the first line, then thumb index, as we change to D minor, and for the and, so, say, we, we're going to do a bass run up the 5th string to the 4th string. So, oh, say, a, we. So that's 5 open, 5, 2, 5, 3, 4 open, and 4, 2, which I'm going to do by hammering on with the fingers in the A minor position. Let's hear what that sounds like. Blow hard, blow. Sorry, I'll start from the beginning. There was a gallant English ship a-sailing on the sea, blow high, blow low, and so say we. Note how I finished with an index finger again. And now the next line, and her captain he was searching for her. That's the basic strum again, or basic picking pattern. But for the pirate enemy, that's going to be done again in a walking up and down movement. Sorry. Captain, he was searching for a pirate enemy. So that's 5, 3, 4 open, 4, 2, 5, 3, 5, 2. And that's going. I'm not actually going to use the C chord shape, although the first note is part of the C chord shape, but because I'm going to be picking out those notes rather than strumming a whole chord, I'll just do it as her captain, he was searching for a pirate enemy. Captain, he was searching for a pirate enemy. And the change to E minor, in this case, could be the same as we did the last time with the A minor, hammering it on. And her captain, he was searching for a pirate enemy. And then it's back to the basic one. Cruising down along the coast of. Cruising down along the coast of. But for the high Barbary, it's high Barbary, high Barbary. And that will then be finished off, so it will be high Barbary. So that's two of the usual run. Then fifth string, fourth string, and then the fifth string and the three strings, 3, 2 and 1 together. So let's try and go through the whole verse slowly. There was a gallant English ship a-sailing on the sea, blow high, blow low, and so say we. And the captain, he was searching for a pirate enemy, cruising down along the coast of high Barbary. I find it very difficult to play this sort of thing slowly because I'm so used to playing it at the tempo I would sing it at, and my fingers over the years have become accustomed to that style of picking, and it sort of comes naturally. So as I would be trying to recall how I actually did perform this, it would sound, I think, like this. There was a gallant English ship a-sailing on the sea, blow high, blow low, and so say we. And the captain, he was searching for a pirate enemy, cruising down along the coast of high Barbary. I hope that has been of help. I'll add annotations when I get the video ready for editing, and I hope then you'll be able to make your own accompaniment to it. It doesn't have to be exactly the same as mine. Mine probably isn't exactly the same every time I do it anyway, but pretty close to it. Thanks for listening. Bye now.